PDU. Yan. Guide po tayo dito ng inbox. Tapos makaka-receive po yung lalabas po dyan sa successful. And tayo naman po tayo sa kabila. Which is successful din po. Then for the question naman po is, what is the importance of gateway? The importance of gateway. A gateway acts as a bridge between different networks that use different protocols or architectures. It enables communication and data transfers between networks, such as between a local network and the internet. Second question. What is the transmission medium used to connect hub and switch? The transmission medium used to connect a hub and a switch is typically a twisted pair Ethernet cable. Third question. What is the indication if the connection of your PC are as successful? For that, if the connection of your PC is successful, you will usually see the following indication: the link light or LED indicator on the network port of your PC and on the hub or switch will light up, usually green or amber, and you can successfully ping other devices on the network or access network resources. The PC obtains an IP address port. Network status on your PC shows unconnected or network access available. The last question: what can you conclude from this activity? From this activity, you can conclude that proper physical connection using the correct transmission media are essential for successful communication. Devices like hubs and switches facilitate data transfer within a network. Indications such as LED lights and network status message help confirm successful connectivity. And the last one, understanding the roles of network components and transmission methods is key to troubleshooting and managing network connection. That's all. Thank you.